And we are now cutting across to live visuals that we are getting from the Prime Minister's residence. Suvendu Adhikari has reached the Prime Minister's residence. Do remember that he has a meeting lined up with the PM over issues that the BJP in Bengal is facing. Let's go across to Madhurima, who has more on this. Madhurima, good morning. Give us a sense of what this meeting is likely to be about. You know, he met Amit Shah as well as JP Nadda yesterday, and today, of course, meeting the Prime Minister.
Well, Nupur, this is a crucial meeting because this is one of sorts that is coming after the West Bengal elections, and we know as how important is Suvendu Adhikari, is the leader of opposition. He is the first person to have drubbed Mamata Banerjee in the polls. Right now we're reporting from the Prime Minister's residence. I'll request my camera person to show you some visuals that this is the place where this is the residence of the Prime Minister of India, and Suvendu Adhikari has just arrived here a couple of minutes back, Nupur, and a crucial meeting is underway. Yesterday, Suvendu Adhikari had met the Union Home Minister Mansukh Mandaviya, JP Nadda, and he had gone there to meet and discuss the current situation of West Bengal, the crisis that prevails of COVID-19 and other political situation. Post-poll violence is also one of the major concerns. We saw the kind of havoc that was wreaked all across the state of West Bengal, where the BJP came forward and highlighted the woes of the party leaders and the sufferings that they had to go to after the TMC won the West Bengal polls. Following which, this particular meeting, this is the first time that Mr. Adhikari has come here in the national capital to see. Yesterday he said that he had discussed many things with the Home Minister, and the Home Minister has assured all support for the development of West Bengal. He said that he had also come to the national capital so as to seek blessings of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister so as to serve the state of West Bengal. However, we know that the crucial points are the current situation of pandemic and the situation of post-poll violence and violence altogether that prevails in the state of West Bengal, where we've seen that in numerous occasions the BJP workers being manhandled, being attacked by allegedly by the TMC leaders. So once again, Mr. Adhikari is here to raise his point with the Prime Minister. We are giving you the live visuals there from the Prime Minister's residence. The black car, if my camera person could zoom in, is Mr. Adhikari's car that has just been parked just few minutes back here in the Prime Minister's residence, Nupur. And we'll have to wait and watch what Mr. Adhikari has to say after and once he speaks to the Prime Minister, like he addressed the media yesterday, Nupur.
So, Madhurima, what we understand is also perhaps, there is going to be, this is one of the big meetings that we've seen essentially after the elections in West Bengal, where the TMC swept those elections. But there has been a lot of allegations that have come in from the BJP of, violence that was heaped upon its cadres in West Bengal. So, will a large part of this meeting also perhaps touch on those issues, and also will administrative issues come up as far as the TMC's BJP, I beg your pardon, as far as the BJP's West Bengal unit is concerned? Madhurima?
Yes, Nupur. So I was showing you the visuals from outside the PM's residence, and I was telling you that the idea behind this particular meeting is for Mr. Adhikari to raise the issues persisting in the state of West Bengal. As we know, yesterday he spoke to the Home Minister of the country, and at the same time he also met Mr. Mansukh Mandaviya and JP Nadda. We've seen that Mr. Adhikari has been the main player. He is the one on the hands of which Mamata Banerjee had to face the defeat. So now he becomes a crucial person in the entire political face of the state of West Bengal. And we've seen that how ambitiously the BJP has fought this entire election and intends to do so in the future as well. So Mr. Adhikari laying out the grounds for future and the political scenario of the state of West Bengal, raising some pertinent issues. And later in the day, once this meeting is over, we'll try to speak to him to know that what was the conversation that carried on between the two leaders.